Hello friends! Life update. I'm still unemployed. These clips are from last year, and now that I have all the time on my hands, I just wanna get them done. Kasi naman, kapag gusto ko nang mag-apply ng trabaho, lagi kong naiisip, hala, yung mga videos ko, hindi ko pa na-edit. Hala, ang dami-dami, puno na ang storage ko. Paano ko mag-move on? So, I just really wanna get this done. Kasi pagod na ako mag-isip sa kanila. OA. Pero ayun, I hope you get what I mean. Hindi ko lang talaga kayang umusad na alam kong marami pa akong unfinished tasks. Thinking about it, ginagawa ko lang naman tong excuse kasi ayaw ko talaga magtrabaho. Gusto ko lang naman yumaman. Pero ang hirap. Ang hirap. In this economy, it's really hard to create without worrying about the bills. Lintik na passion na yan. Mapapakain ka ba ng passion na yan? Anyways, ayoko na magsalita. Kaya kapababa mo.
Guys, yung buho ko kasi maharang-harang sa mukha ko. Kasi yung shirt ko nagwawala. Dapat pala naka-ano tayo. Naka-chow.
Hey guys. Speechless. Tapos na kami mag-jog and uwi na kami.
11 p.m.
Ang na-jog namin ngayon, 5 km. Pero hindi yun full jog. Walking muna kami, tapos nag-jog. So, kasi ganyan talaga pag beginners. And, yun. Yun lang.
Bye.
Bye.
Next time ulit.
Time check, it's 36 p.m. And then the next day, I went to Skin Station for an appointment. And dito naghihintay lang ako for my turn. And then after, I had brunch. Tapos pumuntang Puro para maglakad-lakad. The weather is so nice. Sobrang pandemic vibes nito. Pinkish sky. Ito naman yung pictorial namin for graduation. Ayan. We just did our hair and makeup. Naalala ko, sobrang excited pa ako nito. At the same time, sobrang kinakabahan na rin for the board exam. Pero in life, we just move forward. Wala nang iba. Yun lang talagang ginagawa natin. Move forward. And ang dami na rin palang nangyari. And for sure, marami pang mangyayari.